Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a project share, a really quick one. I decided to play around with some of my acetate sheets again, as well as my vellum sheets. And I wanted to create some rosettes and see how they would turn out. And you guys, I am obsessed. I think they turned out so cute. So I'm going to link down below where I got these papers again on Amazon, where you can pick them up because you guys need to make these rosettes. And if I sound out of breath, it's because I am. You guys don't know all the running around I do right before I film. So I'm always out of breath because I'm like, I need this, I need that. And then I don't know. It's just something about when I'm filming that I'm just like super anxious. And I've been doing this for going on 2 years and I still get super anxious right before I film. Let me know down below if that happens to you guys, because it happens to me all the time. Sometimes I play back my videos and I'm just like, girl, you need to get it together because you sound so out of breath. But we're just gonna look past that and let me show you guys what I used to create these rosettes. So of course I used my acetate, my vellum, and then I used my Tim Holtz rosette die because this is one of my favorite dies and I absolutely love it. So let me show you what I made. I used that acetate paper and created a box. It is not the sturdiest, you guys, but for appearance and to gift, I think it's perfect. I put inside some of those flowers that I had made just to see how it would look in packaging. And you guys, I think it looks so cute. I used some of this trim that I had from AliExpress. This is a little chipboard piece from Crepe Paper All Heart. And then these little hearts right here are some of the little knit hearts that Buzzing with V sent me. So cute. Look at that. Is this not the cutest? Just to send away to a pen pal. Wouldn't they enjoy opening something like this? I added some washi tape right here just for a little something extra. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh, and then I have my little label in the back. So I made this cute little box. But you guys, I also made these rosettes. And if you guys don't have acetate rosettes, you need them in your life. They are so cute. Look at these, you guys. Are these not the prettiest acetate rosettes you've ever seen? I die. I love them so much. I stitched on this one and then I left those plain. And this is some glitter paper that I have, but you guys, it just looks so cool in person. Like this, I don't know if they've tried this before. People's made these. I've never made them, so to me, it's like the first time me seeing them. And they are amazing. I love them so much. Look at that. I love the ones that are stitched. So pretty. And then I made also these, well, this one right here, with washi tape and stitching. Isn't that amazing? Look at that, you guys. I think it's so pretty, so dimensional. And it's like almost the same thing, both sides. I absolutely love them. They came out so pretty. And then I made some using the vellum paper, and those are just as pretty, you guys. Look at that. If you don't have this die, you guys, you totally need it. It is so nice. I absolutely love it. And here's the cool thing about it. This is just one strip. It makes a rosette that looks like this with one strip. But if you use 2 strips, you'll end up with something like this. And look how full that looks. This is another like way of making them that is one of my favorite ways of making rosettes. And it's like so thick and sturdy. Like I wish, can you hear that? Look at that. How pretty is that, you guys? So I'm here to tell you guys on this video, you need to have the Tim Holtz. I'm officially enabling you on this video. If you don't have this die, you need to go get it now. I'm going to link it down below. And you need to pick up some of this paper from Amazon and make yourself some rosettes. And let's make a bunch of these acetate ones because they are a beaut. I absolutely love them. Look at that. Is that not the prettiest? I feel like I want to make like a million of them. But yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.